Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and there is debate once again. And topic of the debate is, can money buy happiness? First, I would like to call Rimsha that she'll speak that money can buy happiness, and I would like to call Rukaya from this team. She'll speak that money cannot buy happiness. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Fabia, and once again I'm standing in front of you for doing a debate on a very amazing and horrendous topic, which is in the regard of money. That can money buy happiness or not? Topic is horrendous because we all know very well that money can buy happiness. Because as I think, happiness comes by money. Because when we will have money, so we can buy a mansion. When we will have money, so we can get a servant. When we will have money, so we can buy a luxurious car. And according to the National Recent Center survey, 49% of women have taken the divorce from their husbands because their husband did not have money. Look at the condition. Means a girl also wants a husband who has the money. Okay, and it was asked to a teacher that can really money buy happiness. So teacher replied that if you have to cry, so cry in Lamborghini. If you have to cry, cry in luxurious house. If you have to cry, so cry in front of AC. So it means the main thing is money for living. And if I talk about the basic needs for living, for surviving the life, we need food, which is our basic need, and we can get the food by the money. If we have to live, so we want water, we can get water also by the money. Everything is up to the money. Okay, that's it.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we are doing debate on a very amazing topic which is about money can buy happiness. Well, to be honest, I don't agree with this statement. I don't believe that money can buy real happiness. First of all, we should understand that what is happiness. Can we see it? Can we touch it? No, because it is intangible. It is a feeling. We can't touch it. So tell me, how can we buy a feeling? Because feelings comes from heart, not from your bank account.
Then okay, she's talking about the feelings. Can you buy the feelings? So as I think that everything we can buy. Suppose you are a poor person in your family. So who will give you respect? First tell me. And who will think about you? Like we should give respect to that person who has money. It happens. It is 21st century. So it is very hard to live without money. Even it is compulsory now to become a richest person of the world because a society and the family also give value, also give respect to those person, to those people who have money. Okay.
As you mentioned about that we need money is important. I agree that there should be money in your pocket, but there should not be love in your heart. That we need money, only money is not everything. Yes, I agree that money is important. There should be money in your pocket, but there should not be love for money in your heart. Because when you start loving money more than happiness, more than relationships, peace, and emotions, so you lose your real happiness. you know Most of the people, they do just work whole day, they work, they run after the money. So please use your money to live your life. Don't use your whole life to earn, just to earn money.
Okay, as you are talking about the peace. So what is peace according to you? Suppose you are a very poor person, you don't have money. You doesn't have money. So what will you do? Will you be happy? You don't have money. Sorry. You don't have money. So will you be happy? Tell me. Will you sleep properly at night?
Some
Will you be
people
happy in
some
your life
people
without
think,
money? Please, sister, ask to
listen
those
listen
people.
listen
Now you have completed. Now you should listen to me.
some
Okay.
people think that money means happiness, because if you are eating in five-star hotel, so you are happy, you will be happy. But if you are eating with your family at your home with peaceful, so it is not happiness, it is real happiness. That you are eating with your family, it is good.
Complete.
Yes.
So according to you, there is no value of money because you have everything. You have food, house for living, you have food for eating. Ask to those people who are living on the road, who don't have money for eating the food, who don't have house for living. They are sleeping on the road. So is it good for them? Money is everything. For them, actual happiness is money. And I would like to give answer to Sophia P and Safia both. They both mentioned the same thing. Elon Musk. He's a very richest person, but he's not happy and all. So I would like to say that because formalities breeds contempt. That's why they don't know the value of money. Okay, and I would like to say that according to National Crime Record Bureau, one lakh 64,000 people have committed suicide because they don't have money. This is the condition of India. Means you can see if we have money, so India can be developed. People can live properly. But when we don't have money, so we will not have peace. We don't have feeling. We don't have love. We don't have anything. Even you also, not you, any girl will get married to that person who has money. Who will be poor? No one will get ready to get married with that person. Will letting girl will ready to get married?
Yes, of course.
Not. I don't think so.
No.
Without
Because-
money, can you live? Can you survive your life? Of course not, sister.
You know what happened? Have you noticed that? Have you ever noticed a poor person wants to become rich and a rich person wants to become million? Then
I did not.
Yes,
I did not
it
listen it.
happens. It happens because our desire never finish. We want more. And you know what? Rich people wants to become millionaire, and millionaire wants to become billionaire, and a billionaire wants to become trillionaire.
So what's bad in this?
They want to
up
they
their
just
level.
Want to they want to win this whole world, whole nation.
No,
It
just
is
they want
not
to up their
because-
level. It is
because-
not like
because
that.
the more you have, the more you want. Because our
course.
desires never end.
Okay, complete. Now I would like to give answer to Safia. She mentioned that money is just a piece of paper. So this piece of paper can change your whole life. You know how? When you will earn money, you will have a very good servant. You will have cars. You will have house. Everything you will have just because of the piece of paper. Okay, and